Sir, ano po yung nasa likod ng biglaang pagpapalit ng liderato po ng PhilHealth at ano po ang inyong direktiba sa bagong PhilHealth President, sir?
Actually, kung titignan ninyo ang qualifications ni Dr. Mercado, he is very, very well versed in both hospital administration, insurance, and his whole life has been devoted to healthcare. And so, it was after nung nag-oath taking kami, matagal kami nag-usap. Sabi ko, baliktad, hindi ko siya ina-advise, he's the expert. So tinanong ko siya, ano sa palagay mo ang kailangan natin gawin? And we went, pareho kami, immediately napunta yung usapan sa digitalization. Kasi maganda naman ang serbisyo ng PhilHealth, ngunit yung pag-process ng ng claim, pag-apply, etc., hindi kinakamay pa rin. Kaya't napakabagal. And that's why that became a priority. But of course, beyond that, he has many other ideas on how to make the services of PhilHealth more inclusive, expanded, and again to give better coverage for different conditions for those who have. Those who will avail of the PhilHealth services and of their financial support.
Sir, nagre-resign po ba si...
At sinabi niya sa akin, sige, that's as far as I can tell you. Sabi, I'll go first, I'll go to say in a week's time, sabi niya sa akin, in a week's time, may bigyan kita ng report, much more detailed, kung ano sa palagay ko yung nakikita ko sa PhilHealth na pwedeng palitan, pwedeng palakihin, etc., etc.
Sir, may we know, nag-resign po ba si Rel Ledesma?
Well, yes, he left his position already. Sabi niya that nahirapan na rin yata siya sa, with all of hindi siya sanay sa politika. Mandy Ledesma very much comes from the private sector. So I think he found the transition to be jarring, shall we say.
Thanks, sir.